Hey guys, so my sister's been on me about making some small stuff for craft shows. Large boards that I usually do don't sell a whole lot at craft shows.
Tell me all about it. You don't say.
So we decided we're going to try out the Cedar fence pickets and make some coasters. You know, cedar's naturally water resistant, so we're going to give it a try. And I got some little stencils, some little animals, some bears. Oh, bear's an animal too. Ha ha. So we're going to try carve those out and see what we get. That bear might be too big. That look good?
Mm-hmm. Elevate.
The rock underneath him?
Sure.
can breathe. Okay, y'all, looks like it's, the epoxy may be bleeding through the cedar too much. We'll see tomorrow. Might turn out neat, might not. We don't know until we try. We'll see y'all tomorrow. So apparently, once again, I forgot to record things. But I mixed up some, let's see, is it black with a little bit of Chameleon Blue by Resin. Just something.
She gets it moved just as I got to focus on it.
Sorry.
Okay.
I wanted something, you know, a little different. I don't like just basic one color. Eric always says I mix them all up and screw them up. But I poured epoxy in my little coasters here. And a bear, a moose, buffalo.
I keep trying to remind her that, you know, y'all need to see this, not her. She knows what they look like already.
This is supposed to be a coyote on a rock. We'll just disregard that one. And then these, my spacing got a little off.
This one looks like it got visited by E.T. or something.
Where's yours? And like I said, my spacing got off a little, but they turned out pretty cute. So
She ignored the lines that I put on there for her to
I'm
tell her
gonna,
where to go.
You know, just cut out some odd shapes. They'll still work as coasters. They're plenty big.
You know, you try to help a girl, and...
Wow. So, I'm going to get these sanded and...
You measure, you mark...
Eric says, no, we're not putting nothing on them. They're cedar, but I still think they need a little bit of oil or something.
So we're going to oil, but what do y'all think? Naked or oiled? Let us know in the comments.
Well, I'm sanding. You just sit back and watch Johnny. He's working on the lathe up there. Well, he was.
I see a shop and some paint. And,
There it is.
there we go.
Okay, well, I'm gonna get these sanded off. There's not really much point. You've all seen sanding.
Sand on, sand off. Oh wait, that's wax on, wax off.
So I
So-
did 80, so...
We'll bring y'all back when she's done sanding.
So, as always, I usually win. But we're just going to put a little thin layer of Odie's oil on. That way the resin stands out a little bit. Almost looks like there's bear tracks in the resin.
Yep.
Cool. I'm going to get these finished back. I'm going to get these finished up and we'll bring you back for the end. Well, there we go. From a cheap, simple cedar fence picket to a nice batch of coasters. Simple, easy, a little bit of flair. So I've got some more ideas. And use some of these cedar fence pickets. They're cheap. Cedar's a great wood to work with. And it was pretty easy to carve in, so. Well, we'll get some stuff made for our new camper.
We got ideas.
You can check that out on our other channel, Rainy Ridge Untethered. There's not much on there because it's brand new, y'all.
Check it out.
Y'all have a great day.
Bye-bye now.
See what we get into next time.